Yeah, Hillsborough, he's southbound cruise speed now, his high rate of speed, passing right in the middle of the vehicle. See, the guy is real signal 12.
And where do we have a cross street SO3?
Approaching Cross Creek. Just passed over Cross Creek, still southbound. Okay, he's taking going westbound, I'm not sure what, towards the interstate, taking the westbound. Correction, northbound on Interstate 75, northbound of 75.
And northbound on 75.
Still northbound of 75, high rate of speed.
Down to Sierra 1 identifying SHD.
1039. Viewing.
Yeah, he's still northbound on 75, high rate of speed, signal 12, extremely.
We still have northbound I-75.
Coming up on County Line Road. Okay, passing over I-275, still northbound on 75.
Hillsborough, we have any activity with the rest of us?
Switching.
I just requested aviation to switch over to TAC Alpha.
We're on TAC Alpha, still northbound, just past 275, still northbound, approaching 586.
Air Service, you in TAC Alpha or leaving?
See if he comes back into Livingston.
Still northbound, extreme signal 12, passing over 5 or passing under 586 here in 1 second.
Alright, now we're here at 75 and 54.
Okay, he's slowed way down. He's going to be making a UE.
Okay, I don't want him to see me. I just wanted you to be able to follow him to where he stops somewhere.
The way he's running, he's not stopping. Back southbound on 75. Stand by.
Air Service, does he know you're on?
He might. I'm not sure. He just made a UE. He's high rate of speed, still signal 12.
Alright, I'm 75 southbound on 154.
All right, stand by here. We'll let you know if he goes 75 or 275. Okay, he's back on 75 southbound.
Delta 5, I jumped out on 75 at Fletcher.
Guys, I don't think this guy's going to stop for anybody.
Aviation, yeah, you guys just keep an eye on him, see if he just stops somewhere. But yeah, we're not going to attempt.
No, I wouldn't. I don't even know if we should stay on him the way he's driving. He's passing. He's got to be well over southbound on 75, crossing over Brewski Downs.
Yeah, I'm 75 approaching Brewski Downs. Mark, make sure you're out of sight of him, actually. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. I'm just hoping that he can keep a visual up there and he'll stop somewhere. Delta 5, I'm hitting down in the median on the 75 in between Brewski Downs and Fletcher. Delta 5, just remember, try to keep out of sight. We just want to follow him, see if he stops somewhere. Yeah, 10-4, they've got those dead trees in the median. I'm buried up in them.
Still southbound, approaching the river.
He just went past me. It looks like a blue and white motorcycle. Does he have a black jacket with some kind of white design on it? I could not tell clothing. He went past at a high rate of speed. I'm buried down in the trees, but it definitely looked like a blue and white motorcycle. Jacket couldn't tell, but he had some sort of T-shirt that was flapping up. Looked like a white collar T-shirt. Okay.
Still southbound, passed over Fletcher, approaching Fowler.
How are you doing on gas?
We're good. Still southbound, just crossed over Fowler. Still southbound, crossing over 301. Crossing over bypass canal southbound, still line 75.
43 at line, FHP in District 206 so we're just fine. I got your tail back here at 75 at Fletcher.
Okay, he's getting off here on the I-4, stands by.